Okay. Namaste, Ram Ram, Jai Sevalal. Respected seniors in the services, business magnates, NRIs, say Gorbain Namaste. Um, our journey in civil services, our businessman, our individual success also in how we can do and how we can achieve. And happen Gor Jata, happen sir, Ras Katracha. And we are most adaptable to the nature or whatever business. अब नान को इतना देते थे अपन शेर मातो से रिक्शा खूंते थे इतना ओके गोरली गाड़ी चलाते थे तो ॲज अ कल्चरगा हा पण रास कष्टपराचा कन आपले नाम से अँड इट इज माय एक्सपीरियंस आल्सो अँड ओके मार मध्ये को तो ओके आपण रास आदमी वी आर नॉट ओनली माय सेल्फ अँड मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव कम up in the life with a lot of hardships and mar education okay government schools kide 10th toni or pas intermediate pas Hyderabad degree है intermediate तो मैं fail हो गया तो भी I have not stopped my education fail हो तो भी stop किदो कोनी intermediate distance education किदो direct board of intermediate examination थी degree I did from the Open University Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University degree थी भी था मुकुंजू मैं I did my post graduation from the distance education and actually I got marriage मैंने we have go 18 years in 18 years in so that time I was intermediate failed हुए तो we have तो जनाते भी तो एजुकेशन ने कति थामे को नहीं तो आपने मीन द बेनिफिट इज रिजर्वेशन एंड नान कहे तो जनाती एटलीस्ट एक गजेटेड ऑफिसर वेणोकन के ताने एक विजन को लेके एक व्यक्ति जेरोसु एजुकेशन कति कचे सही मीन getting into civil services is not a small task like पण वो एक व्यक्ति मैंने वो कहेंगे ज्वाला बोलते हैं ना अपन ज्वाला और द फायर इन यू if it is continuous definitely will succeed I am one of the example as like many of our brothers so I have not stopped with education or pas MPhil I did MPhil from the Usmania University which is regular one तो what I mean to say कि एक हफ्ता आपण गणका प्रिपेयर वाचा मैं एक साधिंचुचु लेवेमा मैं बणुचु कतो कोण बैकग्राउंड और आपण जाति मा सजो कोण हार्ड वर्क और दिस वर्क इज वर्कशिप जॉब वो डेफिनेटली हेल्प वचा and Sunil bhaiya kero jo business and when we come to the business Kurikar mean the general public other than the Gore bhais they take loan from the banks and they do business where we try ourselves from taking loans from the friends others getting it from the private loan which is more costlier we shall not do it for that over was happen kai karno happen इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न करतानी नान की मोटी कंपनी करतानी ओन गन का बिल्डअप करो तो डेफिनेटली देयर आर सो मेनी बैंकर्स कम फॉरवर्ड आउटसे and as a director of finance and a CFO of the Singareni company I get calls and so many GM level GM heads one of the states for the each bank SBI we take Axis Bank ICICI Canara Bank whatever they come and they ask even I think we want to list Singareni one of the listed company they said we will invest 10,000 crores ऐसे लोग आते हैं इतना ऐसे लोग आते हैं so there is a great exposure for loan even the government of India or RBI insist upon the banks go for giving the loans so there are the greater opportunities where our community can stand and when we take for the business I think after the United States of the America USA India is the best city best country for the business development or investing into the business or entering into the business as entrepreneurs and doing the small jobs Sunil bhaiya मुझे तो रात आदमी सांभलो कोनी मैं just I was traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore so when flight could not hear to many of our brothers we have to do business. We have to enter into business community, and we have to go into the abroad. आपण वाले say you go to abroad or you do business, and enter into it. नान की job करने को देखो नहीं. Group 1, Group 2 or small business is crime. I say it is a crime. 20, 30, 40,000 et vasu happen गोर भाई डिग्री PG M.Tech B.Tech or PhD करता नहीं जैन वेर अवसरम छेचा जैन वेर अवसरम छेचा. And we are there. See, now I am holding one of the important positions. So I have the access to the many bankers in Telangana state. All the bankers, you name the bankers, they do come to me. If I can put, if somebody from our community, community business kara sakato, I can care position also kuchu. And my journey as took 18 years in marriage kara after 12 years of the marriage life or my continuous hardship, completing the graduation, completing the post-graduation, completing the MPhil, and appearing the many examinations, railway exam, constable, SI, banking, say kide. So happen kati thamno name, happen success, civil service rehte or any examination rehte, any business business rehte, wa ganaka happen success rano to continuity reno. Observing the business, observing the market conditions, or studying ganaka happened khador to happen ganaka thamza mato mean continuity ga ratto kachitanga u bhagwan rehte happen friend circle rehte happen jaat rehte definitely happen help karese. Marriage is a hurdle, parents is a hurdle. My and the background from where we have come का तो आपण गरीब्या हुएचा आपण याडी बापू कन पिसा छेचा याडी बापू सदवे कोणती वो से काही अवसरम छे. Those are the not the reasons for elevation in the services or elevation in the business or के माय जाणवणो को तो and continue ga आपण achieve करेन great scope रहे. And even after entering into the job, okay, हैदराबाद में 4 साल काम की दो और पस बॉम्बे में 3 साल भी तो वो तो 3 साल भी 3 years कंटिन्यूस का ये गोरेन को नहीं कोरेन को नहीं वो सी जनरल कैंडिडेट की नहीं commendation certificate मिली को नहीं. Man 3 years I was there. 3 years I continually got the appreciation from the chief commissioner. Even one time got the appreciation from the CBIC or Delhi our board. तो हार्ड वर्क कनका करा आपण कामेन लेतानी करा तो खचिతంగా even the general community accepts us as a brilliant or excellent or outstanding officers. Definitely garase और पास government of Telangana they have invited me to join the department. Here also continuously not only our business our own department director of finance, even other land acquisition, new projects, whatever coming up and we are doing. And recently in Singareni, we are coming up with the GO number 59 is there, where Woma happen to be reservation. There is a SC, ST, 21% reservation in contracts. That would be a great achievement. I also Hama Vate Kyoto, AC ST Commission Chairman. So next to board happen Jatin Ras useful was up to 1 crore contract. 6% go to Gorena SCST. So that have spoken with the chairman SCST commission who are Hanu Prativokati even happened civil service Abukuna prepare work and Kati kind Thamir continue to with our studies and books, newspaper and guidance from all our seniors and the initiative taken by Sudhakar Ravi is laudable. Also काम की देश होता हूँ. Thanks for the opportunity, Sudhakar. And काही question रहतो, I mean definitely our members, our goal भैया कुछ वासु.
Thank you, Balram sir, for your valuable motivational words. Balram sir एक अपन live example sir who came from zero background and sir is now in one of the most top influential position now. సో సారే గురించి మాలం సార్ జర్నీ తో మనకో సారే గురించి ఎన్ని డౌట్స్ తో కేరీ హాతర్ తో యూ కెన్ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. మిస్టర్ రామ్
please brother
sir no sir Mr. Ram, somebody is there with name Ram. No, sir. Hello.
Ravi,
It's
Ram
me,
Balram Saraj. There is a question from Bullet Krishna. Bullet Krishna, I have unmuted you. Please ask. Bullet Krishna ji, I have unmuted you. Please ask question. Yeah.
Sir, Ram sir, Balram, yeah, very thanks, sir.
Krishna.
Sir, university scholars, sir, Usman University.
Okay.
So, sir, really, chala thanks, sir. Tam, maybe हमा सर एक youngsters काय करे सांगन को is business magnet का वेनो पुण्शी ना एक startup करनो को जो कोनो process है आता तम help करांगन करे तो अटलने सुनील भैया भी मंची guidelines मंची encouragement करो तो पुण्शी काय रहता को कैन करो तो तमार जैसे numbers तम जैसे share करो भैया definitely तमें भलाता तमार सहकार ले तानिन आंग जामाता definitely तम के जो निजंग ने business
business is the ultimate Krishna. Krishna. Business माने अब government job है और रहता है, service है और रहता है, political रहता है. They go to business. Business is the most important, important है. मतों अब को जो सिंगरेनी में even we are giving reservation in the contracts. And next board में अपना approve विदाव से. And मैं civil service में join वो कंजे रंग even I drove auto. I mean happily I can say. And how did I do it? No. हानु कुकिदो माटो पीएमआर वेती लोन लिदो स्टेट बैंक ऑफ ट्रावंकोर अब से एसबीआई से कोटी ब्रांच लिदो तो कति थमेज को नहीं इन द सेंस देयर आर द अपॉर्चुनिटी आपने स्टार्टिंग करते से कहीं का कस्टम वे तो भी है और इब्बंदी लागती भी है पण वो से छोड़ता नहीं अपन गण का आंग आओ तो खचितंगा इवन हमारे सर के सुनील सर रहते जीवन सर रहते लक्ष्मण सर रहते एंड जयराम साहब रहते और अपने एनआरए फूल सिंह सकरू एंड यंगस्टर्स रवि किरण and happen Sudhakar. There are so many Piriya Nayak sahab se, Tarachand sahab se. There been atra admi se, Ravi se. I mean all the members, those who are participating in the meeting, वो says I mean definitely. And tam chano ko to वही न माऊं चुम. Even if you want me come, if my office ओके अतरा नेर तो तम बलाव तो कस बलाव तो आऊं छु एंड छजो कोन काय छ विजि केर केमा इन्वेस्ट करबा छु आपण इवन ठीक है मर सर्विस आईआरएस कस्टम्स एंड जीएसटी छ जीरो छु इवन आई कैन टेल अबाउट द इंपोर्ट से काय छ एक्सपोर्ट है काय छ कु कर सकणो का जो कोन भी कुछु हैदराबाद में भी आपण इवन एक क्लोज नॉट क्लोज ग्रुप ओपन ग्रुप है Sudhakar would be there, Ravi would be there, even happen Balama other senior officer थी happen community थी एक meeting हला definitely it would be a great step forward even कोई COVID time में भी happen as meeting आलोचना एक तो happen presentation we have to appreciate वही kind question को तो I will be happy का पूछो answer Krishna and Sudhakar please just I'm giving my number I will Sudhakar, any questions? Brother, please.
Sarita ji, Sarita Mudawat, I have unmuted you. Yeah, please ask question.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sarita.
Ram भैया कलेपल्ली भैया कलेपल्ली वासी छु भैया
कलेपल्ली बालानगर का
हाँ भैया
ग्रेट हैप्पी टू
रुक्मिणी नायक तमर मासी लागत का छो और छोरी छु मैं
ओके हां
एने न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट का कर रही छु भैया तो
మంచి కోర్స్
ఫ్యూచర్ సార్ అది నేను స్టార్ట్అప్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను సేమ్ న్యూట్రిషన్ బేస్డ్ మీద దీనికోసం లోన్స్ కానీ తీసుకోవాలి ఎట్లా అన్నది నాకు తెలియట్లేదు సో నేను కూడా ఇట్లాంటి ఆపర్చునిటీ ఐ మీన్ ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ లో సజెషన్స్ ఏమైనా దొరుకుతాయి అని చెప్పి కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాను
No, definitely nutrition lanti courses hai nutrition courses na even individuals or government as an importance there is a nutrition course is NAN is one of the central organization and prestige organization definitely woti tam ka individual ka kun se course galo ko to loan compulsory dase and we also